So I'm out and about, stopped at the dollar store, picked up this amazing padlock cadenas in Spanish, I guess. Tool bench hardware. Cadenas. Tiny ass little keyway. 50mm. I actually tried to pick one with decent bidding, but absolutely nothing, no information on the back. But we'll see how she opens. Woo! Lock hunt. Alright, I got this dollar store special. This is a tiny little keyway. Let's get them open. Tiny little keyway. I guess I'm gonna use top of the keyway tension with my windshield wiper pick. Not even sure what I friggin' pressed on that, but there we go. Open. All of a couple seconds. And there we go. Cheapo. It's still fun. Literally a dollar lock. See, there it works. And there's your keys. This is by far the best bidding I found. Pretty much everything else was just like flat. So this is my tensioner, and I don't even remember which pick I used, but these are both windshield wiper picks. Showtime.